Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson algebraic expressions, isn't it? We were in the worksheet 2. Now coming to the question number 4, find the products of a 2 by 7 x squared, the bracket open 7y plus 14x and verify the result when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So first we will write the solution. Write the question, that is 2 by 7 x squared, the bracket open 7y plus 14 x. Is it correct? 2 by 7 x squared, bracket open 7y plus 14 x. Now it is a 2 by 7 x squared into 7y, put it in the bracket, plus 2 by 7 x squared into 14x, isn't it? Now 7 and 7 cancelled. Here 7 ones are 7 twos are. Now this becomes 2 ones are 2. Then it is x squared and y, isn't it? Plus 2 twos are 4. Then x squared and x, that is x cube. So we got the answer 2x squared y plus 4x cube. Now verification, right? Verification. Now we have to do LHS, RHS, isn't it? LHS. Which is the LHS? The question, whatever is given. That is 2 by 7 x squared, bracket open 7y plus 14x. Now verification with x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Put the values 2 by 7 into x is 2 square, bracket open 7 into y, that is 3, plus 14 into x is 2, put inside the bracket. Now 2 by 7 into 2 twos are 4, 2 square is 4. Now 7 threes are 21 plus 14 twos are 28. That means it is a 2 by 7 into 4. 2 fours are 8 by 7 into 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 2, 4. That means 7 ones are 7 sevens are. That is 8 sevens are 56. So you got LHS value 56. Now RHS, what is the answer you got? It is 2x squared y plus 4x cube. Put the values, square bracket open, 2 into x is 2 square into y is 3, bracket close, plus 4 into x is 2 and cube. Now find the values. 2 into 2 square is 4 into 3 plus 4 into 2 cube is 8. So you got 2 fours are 8, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. Now add 4 plus 2, 6, 2 plus 3, 5. You got the same answer, that is LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Clear? So that was a question number 4. Now coming to question number 5. Again, it is a verification, isn't it? find the product of. So write solution question 0.2xy bracket open 3x plus 2y. So write the question and solve it. Now first bracket open 0.2xy into first term is 3x, in between the sign is plus. Now write again 0.2xy into 2y. Now multiply the numbers. 0.2 into 3, that is 2 3s are 6 and 1 decimal. So it is 0.6. X into x, x squared, then it is y plus 2 2s are 4 and 1 decimal. So 0.4 x y 2 times, that is y squared. So you got the answer 0.2 x squared y plus 0.4 xy squared. Now it is verification with values x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 1. So LHS, it is a question 0.2 xy bracket open 3x plus 2y. Put the values 0.2 into x is 5, y is minus 1. Now again bracket open 3 into minus 1 plus, 3 into x, isn't it? 3 into 5 and now 2y, 2 into minus 1. Okay. Now it is here it is a minus sign, isn't it? Now 2 5s are 10 and 1 decimal. So it will be minus 1. Here the sign is multiplication. Between the brackets the sign is multiplication. Now the square bracket can open 3 5s are 15 plus in the bracket minus 2. That means this becomes minus 1 into 15 minus 2 is 13. So the answer is minus 13. Okay. Now coming to RHS. Write the answer 0.6 x squared y plus 0.4 xy squared. From here write whatever answer you got, you have to write RHS. Now put the value 0.6 into, it is a x squared, that is 5 squared into y is minus 1 bracket close plus 0.4 into x is 5 and y squared, that is minus 1 squared bracket close. Now 0.6 into 5 5s are 25. 5 squared is 25 into minus 1 plus 0.4 into 5 into minus 1 square. It becomes plus 1, isn't it? Negative, the square is even number, the negative number becomes a positive. Okay, now you got 6 sign here, it will be minus, isn't it? 6 5s are 30, 3 in hand, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15. Now it is 1 decimal, so you got minus 15 plus, here it will be 4 5s are 20 and 1 decimal. So that means it is a minus 15 plus 2. That is minus 13. Same answer you got. That is why LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Clear? Hope you don't have any doubt in both the sums, verification sums, isn't it? Now coming to the simplify. Sixth sum is simplify. That is AB bracket open A squared minus B squared plus B cube bracket open A minus 2B. Now A into A squared, it becomes how much? It is okay, first we have to open this, isn't it? Okay, it is AB into A squared minus AB into B squared. This one will become AB into A squared minus AB into B squared. Then it will be B cube into A minus B cube into 2B. Okay. Now it will be A squared becomes A cube B. This one will be minus. Now A B into B squared is B cube. Now here is plus, so you can directly write without putting the bracket. Now A B cube plus A B cube. Now it will be minus 2 B cube B means B to the power 4. Now minus AB cube plus AB cube. The alphabets, they are same, but only the difference is with the sign. Then this gets cancelled. So the final answer is A cube B minus 2B to the power 4. Same numbers, opposite signs, plus 5 minus 5 is 0. That's how here also. Same alphabets, but the signs are different. You just cancel it. That becomes 0. Okay, now coming to the second sum. Again, bracket open, minus 6x squared into xy. That is the first one, isn't it? Now here it is plus, bracket open, minus 6x squared into 2y squared, bracket close. Now the sign is minus. Now bracket open, it will become 3y squared into 2x squared plus, now this one will become 3y squared into y. Okay. Now it will be minus plus minus 6 x squared x is x cube y. Now this one will be again minus 6 2s are 12. Now x squared y squared. Now here minus of plus, it becomes minus 3 2s are 6 x squared y squared. Now minus of plus minus. Now 3y squared and y, that becomes y cube. Now x squared y squared. Is there any difference? This becomes 12 x squared y squared minus 6x cube x squared xy, x cube y. Here it is minus 12 x squared y squared. Here minus x squared y squared. Okay, now here it becomes minus 6x cube y. This x squared y squared minus 18 x squared y squared minus 3y to the power 3. xy x squared 2y squared. Okay. Is it clear? Now coming to the third sum. It is a 2x bracket open. Okay, now directly can you do 2x into x minus in the higher next in the coming exercises you can do directly also. Okay, 2x into x minus 2x into y squared bracket close. Now minus, now you multiply this, that is 3y into xy plus here 3y into 2x bracket close minus this is xy into x plus now xy into y. Okay. Now this becomes how much? 2x squared, isn't it? 2x into x, x squared. Now this one will become minus 2xy squared. Now this becomes minus, so it will be minus only. Here it is plus, so minus plus minus 3. Now it is x one time, y 2 times, that is why y squared. Now it will be minus plus minus 3 2s are 6 xy. Now here minus plus again it is minus x that is x squared and 1 y minus plus, so minus x and y 2 times. Okay, now you see x squared, is there any? No, so write 2x squared as it is. Now xy squared, here it is there, here it is there, here it is there. So minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 1. It becomes minus 6 xy squared. Now it is a minus 6xy and then minus x squared y. See, like terms you have to solve. Xy squared, xy squared, xy squared. This is x squared y. This is xy. So keep it separate. Is it clear? Hope everyone understood. Is there any doubt? Hope everyone understood the sums. Okay then. Bye. Thank you.